Good morning, everyone. My name is Saloni Chen. Hope you all are doing fine and are safe at home. Uh, my project here is titled Arogya Path. Arogya in Sanskrit means meditative, and Path means cloth. So during this present situation of pandemic COVID-19, it is really important for people's well-being and to take care of their health and immunity. Since no vaccine has been discovered to cure the effect of the virus and people are going out to work, it is very necessary to protect oneself from falling sick and getting weak. Therefore, um, Therefore, my design concept here is to develop a kind of fabric which helps in improving the immunity of a person by giving them some level of protection from falling sick, from even a normal bacteria or a flu. My idea is to use herbal medicinal plants and their benefits by dyeing and covering to create a wearable piece or a wearable textile which helps not only as a protection but also wearing it will develop a good aroma on the skin, and one can notice and feel immunity being created in the body. The fiber of the material used to develop the fabric is obtained from the bast of a plant, uh, Crocus alotus, also known as jute, found a lot in eastern parts of India. It is composed primarily of plant material, cellulose, and linen. This fiber is long, soft, shiny, and can be spun into coarser and denser both. It has strength, it's long lasting, and also is biodegradable. After the extraction of the fiber, they are converted into the yarns and are spinned. The plants used to dye, then the plants, these are the medicinal plants used to dye. These medicinal plants have a lot of anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities as mentioned in the screen. First of the material or the plant or herb is neem, and then the second one, which neem also has the most amount of health benefits as mentioned in our history as well, and followed by turmeric and peppermint. Then the yarn is dyed with the neem solution and other herbal dyes, peppermint and haldi, also known as haldi, jute yarns, and then the woven structure is created. The yeah. This textile is made at home, keeping in mind the current situation of the current COVID-19 situation and the limited resources available. The main working textile which the people can wear while they are going out to work, as it is very risky to go out right now, will be a very fine thread, very fine yarns, which will be processed. I could not do it because I was at home. Next, there can be an alternative for the hospitals as well, as people, the jute is a wearable fabric and normal people can wear it, but the people in the hospitals are already suffering from a problem. Therefore, we can take 100% cotton fabric, which is cotton 100% cotton fabric can be used as it is a breathing fabric and favorable for healthcare applications requiring skin contact. It is also said to be the most suitable raw material, forming the basis of shells and for the dust made solution. Here we can change the process a little. The fabric is dyed with the medicinal plants, leaving the name because it has the highest amount of antibacterial qualities. And after the dyeing, all the materials can be soaked in the neem solution separately 3 times in the solution. After 60 minutes of the fabric it can be taken out and kept under the sun to dry. After dyeing, the fabric is dipped in the solution again. This cycle repeats 3 times to get the most benefit of the solution to the textile and gain the longer period of time. As we all know, the bed sheets in the Hospitals are changed frequently after every day for the patients of COVID-19. So the amount of the dye done for the fabric after the washing will not suddenly reduce to zero. After the medicinal treatment, the above
Thank you, Saloni. You have to wrap it up.
Okay. So all the chosen, these are the four types of the bedding collection. All the chosen dyes, including neem coating, that this textile product is planned to be made with a lot of health benefits, as it's used to depend on the theory of the touch in the COVID-19 situation for the patients and also for the workers in the hospitals. Human body naturally heals itself when sleeping and or meditating. The therapeutic fabric, when stays in the contact with the skin, pass to the body its medicinal merits. Thus, when the body is at rest, the clothing will work most efficiently. It will help our body to stand against the harmful toxins and germs about the. And I would like to conclude by uh, this home experimental textile will be more beneficial to be used during this time of the pandemic, as is the requirement of the hour, and the research is all done at home with the limited available materials. Thank you so much. Hope you all, and thank you for the opportunity.